I had to figure out, how do I take a shower and not get the freaking boot wet? That was quite the process. They make things that are supposedly easy to slip right on over the boot, that look like a vacuum sealed boot that's supposed to keep the water out. Well, you know what? I couldn't even get it over my foot. So I said, you know what? There's got to be a better way. So here's what I came up with. Now, this is if you can do this. I obviously did it to my left foot. You might have to face the shower head to do what I'll show you down the road. But first off, let's get some trash bags. So what I would do is you could double up either the lawn bags, or I just used the kitchen bag first, and you form a seal over this. And what you want to do is you want to twist this as tight as possible to your leg, and then use the rubber band. Oh yeah. You know how much I liked doing this? It was like a production number every single time. Okay, so let's say you do this a couple of times, you get it nice and tight. But you want to twist it first because that helps prevent any water from getting in. And then once you twist this up, you're going to tuck this in to your leg, okay, so that it looks like this. Now you get your second layer, which is the leaf, the thickest trash bag that you can find, and put that around the cam boot. And it's good to have this air pocket here because that also prevents water from getting in. So you do the twist-a-roo with this one, and then you can choose to put the rubber band on, or you could make a knot. That part's up to you, like if you're in a hurry. But I will speed up the process, and I'm going to do it using the rubber band. There we go. And you just do it tight, and of course you could do it way, way, way more times. But for sake of time, I'm going to do it like this. Do the twist-a-roo again, and then you tuck that in to there. Now, obviously, you won't be wearing Lycra stretch pants at the time, but now let's venture to the shower. So we're on location in my shower. Borrow one of these chairs from somebody. This is fabulous because it's got the handles on both sides of the chair and gives you stability. You put the water on. This sounds redundant. It sounds stupid to say. Check the temperature of the water first, because if you get on that chair and it's too hot, you know what's going to happen. You're going to want to get out of there. Grab with the chair. Okay, I'm going to push it back so that I'm in the, and gently sit down like this. That way you've got stability. Everything needs to be done calculated and slowly. I would then put the right foot here, keep the left foot out, and then I would take the shower curtain. So for a second, you're not going to see me. Instead, you're going to see the Atlantic Ocean. And I would put it over my leg like this. Peekaboo. And that is how I would take a shower. Okay? So believe it or not, this will help prevent water from happening here, because now you may think by keeping your leg outside the shower or your bathtub would, it's not going to get wet. Well, when you have the water going down on your hair and on your back, it actually ends up trickling down your leg and then can get into your Cinderella boot. So you could do it this way, or if this happens to happen to your right foot and you know your opening, like mine is on the left side, you could shower obviously with both legs in. And this should definitely help you. It helped me out a lot. And then obviously get out of the shower the same way, slowly grab the edge of your bathtub and get up at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Like that.